Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at a car that's been a symbol of sophistication and innovation for decades, the 2024 Volkswagen Passat. The first thing that strikes you about the new Passat is its design. It's undergone a subtle refresh for 2024, with a bolder chrome grille, sharper headlights, and a more sculpted profile. It's a design that exudes confidence and presence, without being overly ostentatious. But this isn't just about aesthetics. The Passat's design is also functional. The sloping roofline helps improve aerodynamics, while the wider stance enhances handling and stability. Step inside the Passat, and you're greeted by a cabin that's both luxurious and comfortable. The high-quality materials and soft-touch surfaces create a truly premium feel. The driver's seat is incredibly comfortable, with ample adjustability to ensure a perfect driving position. Passengers won't be left wanting either, with spacious legroom and headroom throughout the cabin. Technology plays a central role in the 2024 Passat. The Volkswagen Digital Cockpit puts all the essential information you need right in front of your eyes, while the infotainment system is intuitive and easy to use. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, so you can seamlessly connect your smartphone and access your favorite apps. The 2024 Passat offers a range of engine options to suit your needs. The base engine is turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder that delivers a good balance of power and fuel efficiency. For those who crave more excitement, a more powerful turbocharged engine is also available. No matter which engine you choose, the Passat delivers a smooth and comfortable ride. The suspension soaks up bumps and imperfections with ease, making it a great car for long commutes or road trips. Volkswagen is renowned for its commitment to safety, and the 2024 Passat is no exception. It comes packed with a suite of advanced driver assistance systems, including automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and lane departure warning. These features work together to help keep you and your passengers safe on the road. The 2024 Volkswagen Passat is a car that truly has it all. It's stylish, comfortable, packed with technology, and offers a great driving experience. Whether you're looking for a car for your daily commute or your next road trip, the Passat is a perfect choice. So, if you're in the market for a mid-size sedan that redefines modern sophistication, be sure to check out the 2024 Volkswagen Passat. This look at the 2024 Volkswagen Passat. If you have any questions about the car, leave a comment below and I'll do my best to answer them. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. Until next time, happy driving. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps.